welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my first unboxing video of 2024, and I have two items to unbox today. One is from Hermes and the other one is from Chanel. So let's start with the Hermes one first. This is actually something that I've been looking for over a year at this point. So I had spotted this item on their website back in 2022, and I didn't buy it then because I thought I could like find it again. But then basically for like a whole year after that, I've never seen it again on their website whenever I checked, and it has gone up in price too. So I am kind of, I do kind of regret not getting it back then. But about 2 weeks ago, I had done my kind of like yearly luxury wish list video. I'll actually link that above over here if you guys are interested in watching that. And as I was editing that video, I was like, you know what, let me check to see if it is on their website. And I guess it was my lucky day because there it was in stock for me to purchase. So if you've watched that video already, you probably know what this is because this is like the only item that I want from Hermes this year. But anyways, to do the full unboxing, it is in this dust bag right here. And inside the dust bag, it is all of those little dust bags on the hardware came off already. So it is the Kelly belt. So this one is in their taupe color. I don't know how to pronounce the French word for it, so rather than butchering it, I'm just going to say it's taupe, and it has rose gold hardware. So I think this was the reason that it was so hard for me to find, because I specifically wanted the one in rose gold hardware. I actually wasn't picky about like the color of the leather itself. I think they make this specific belt in rose gold hardware in this taupe color, and then like a white color as well as black. And I would have been, like happy with any of the three of them, but I'm actually really glad that they had it in the taupe color, because this is actually, I would say, my first choice, because I have black belts, I have white ones, but I don't actually have anything in this type of color. So yeah, I'm very glad that this was the one that I spotted on the website. I probably would have bought like either the white one or the black one anyways, because those are such staple colors that I always grab for when it comes to belts anyways. But yeah, this one is just so pretty. I love the rose gold hardware on it. I'm so glad that I was able to check this wish list item off of my 2024 wish list so fast. And then moving on to the item from Chanel. It's in this bag right here. And here is the box for it. And this is actually not something that I picked up like just recently. I've had this sitting in the box for like, I want to say like at least like 4 months at this point. I've been waiting to unbox this, and I'll go into detail why after I get this out of the box. I do have something in this kind of like color scheme already, but I have it in a bag form. And actually this came before the bag, and it was just so gorgeous that I had to get the bag too. So inside here we have the dust bag, and then it is the Chanel So Black Pearly Lambskin card holder. So this is what it looks like. I've talked about this specific leather in my unboxing for my mini rectangular already. I don't think it's showing on my shelf. It's like one shelf too high, but it is this gorgeous pearly lambskin that when you look at it, there's like little hints of shimmer in it, and the leather feels so amazing. So yeah, this is the So Black Pearly Lambskin card holder. Now, you guys are probably wondering, why it took me so long to unbox this. Usually, you know, like I'm so excited to unbox things and use it. So I don't usually keep things for like so many months before unboxing it here on my channel. Well, so the reason is that this card holder is not actually for me. This video is actually my 15,000 subscriber giveaway video here on YouTube. So I had bought this, you know, a few months back, just like in anticipation for me hitting this milestone, and I finally hit that milestone recently. So one of you guys will have the chance to win this Chanel card holder, and I know a lot of you guys were trying to get your hands on, you know, this card holder or anything in this So Black Pearly Lambskin and couldn't. So this will be your chance. And let me just go through like the details of the giveaway real quick. So I'm going to read it off of my phone just so I don't forget anything. So one person will be winning this, you know, card holder, as I've mentioned already. And to enter, actually first let me say that the maximum amount of entries you can have for this giveaway is 3 entries. So the first entry, which is absolutely mandatory before you can do like the bonus entries, is to enter here on YouTube on this video. So there's 3 requirements. So you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you have to like this video, and also just comment in the comments down below what type of hardware color is your favorite. So whether it's like black or, you know, rose gold like the Hermes Kelly belt that I unboxed, or if it's like gold or silver, whatever the case is, just comment that in the comments down below. And don't feel like you have to say that your favorite is black hardware. This is purely just because I'm very curious what kind of hardware people like. And then after that, you can also enter like bonus entries on Instagram. So there's 2 bonus entries possible there. So the first bonus entry is to follow me on Instagram and also like the giveaway photo and tag 3 friends in a single comment under that photo. And I'll leave like up on the screen right here a picture of the giveaway photo so you know which one to, you know, like comment on and whatnot. And then the second bonus entry on Instagram is, once again, make sure you follow me on there and then share that giveaway photo on your Instagram stories, and also tag me in that so I can see it. And if your account is private, just send me a DM with like a screenshot of your stories and I'll count your entry that way. And this giveaway is open worldwide. I'll have it up for a full month, so it'll end on February 25th, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. So that's the time zone on the East Coast of the US. And soon after the giveaway closes, I'll contact the winner. They'll have 24 hours to respond to claim their prize. If they don't respond within that 24 hours, I'll, you know, pick another winner, and it'll just keep going until, you know, someone ends up responding. So yeah, good luck to all of you guys that are entering, and I'll leave all of these instructions in the description box down below for you guys too. And yeah, I know that towards the end of 2023, I wasn't like the most consistent with my video uploads, but thank you guys so much for sticking around, for watching my videos, and also leaving the loveliest comments. I'm trying to be more on time with my uploads in 2024. I have so many ideas for videos coming up soon. So yeah, this is the end of today's unboxing video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and of course, liking this video is required if you're going to enter the giveaway anyways. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.